Look what I just found on the sidewalk. I think it's still got some raindrops on it. It's been sitting here for a minute. But yeah, all metal fan. I bet you anything this motor's fine. Now, I'm looking at the motor here. I'm looking at this. Oh, look at that. Here's the other end. They ripped the ground out. Fucking idiots. Oh, never do that. Never, ever, ever do that. Never do that. The only time you use something ungrounded is if it's intentionally ungrounded so you can do measurements on it. You use an insulator for that. You use an isolation transformer. It's the only time you shouldn't have a ground connected and have it floating. It's just too dangerous. Chip. Plastic here, I don't know what's going on there. Cap, that's normal. That's for the load. I imagine this is where we'll find our little MOSFET that I think, yeah, these are right from the manufacturer. So whatever happened, they lost their grommet there. Whatever holds the they're holding their wire. So I imagine the MOSFET that's in here is shot. Right in here. Exposed wire there. Seems to have 4 positions. I don't know if this will have a MOSFET then. I thought it was a different type of speed control at first, so I am mistaken. What do we got here? Is this thing potted? No. It is hermetically sealed though. 3 speeds. Not sure if there's anything wrong with this switch. Huh. You're right, I don't even know that yet. I just don't trust anything this thin handling that kind of current. And we got wires hanging out. Yeah, they're loose in there. I don't care for that at all. What I ended up having to do is I took the switch out here. This thing is shot. There's no continuity at all. And this is the type of connector where it's actually a friction fit. And for whatever reason they used stranded wire and a push-in friction connector. That's like a major no-no. You don't use stranded wire on a push-in like that. You have to use solid gauge wire to do that. So who knows what kind of, I don't know. And it's hermetically sealed. I'm not busting up my tools to get into something that you have to super glue back together. What I ultimately ended up using was this terminal block here, and this is you press the button and you can get a nice fit. And I have it set up for each of the 3 speeds, and I did the pin outs and did the test run. So let's see right now, and you can see how they go from these 4 connectors here are connected, so they're in blocks. So that would be block 1, block 2, block 3, and this would be low, medium, and high. Okay, so I have it on low, medium, and let's see what else. I haven't switched the cable out yet, but I have tested it, and we can do that now. You can see that moving. Yeah. It's a nice little fan. It's all metal. All metal. What a shame somebody threw that out. But I'm glad I got to it before the garbage man did, right? Because this is one of those really nice fans where you can have it set up horizontally and you can pivot. So this is going to be perfect for what I have plans for, which is a dehumidifying chamber. So that's what that's going to be for. This is perfect. This is perfect. Can't beat metal fan blades, man. That you can't beat. You just can't beat that. Anyway, so there's that. Oh, jeez. Do you see a green light there? Whoops, that's a sneak preview. That means it's fully charged. Yeah, so if you've been watching, that might be a little exciting for you. But if not, you should go back and watch Bluetooth speaker repair, part 1. Alright. Good night, ladies and germs.